So, are you looking for a smart ring? I might have the one for you. Hey, it's Matt here, and today I want to talk about the Ultrahuman Ring Air. So, I've been looking for a smart ring for about 2 to 3 years now, but I didn't like the existing ones for different reasons. One day, my friend Red was talking about something new, the Ultrahuman brand and their Ring Air. I reached out to them, and they kindly sent me a ring for testing and promotion. Thank you, and I also have a discount code for you. MS50 until the 27th of November, and after this date it's MS10. Be sure to check out the description for more info. I've had it on my finger for about 2 months, and here is what I found out. Right before completing your order, they will send you a free sizing kit. It's a pretty nice box with 10 different sized, I believe, wooden rings that imitate the original product. You can try any of them on different fingers and see which size fits you the most. I recommend wearing it on your index or ring finger, and you should sleep with it for about 2 nights to be really sure about the size. When you are ready, you pick the size and color from 4 options. I went with matte gray. Let's jump into the unboxing. It really feels luxurious, almost like an Apple product. In the box you get the ring, some paperwork, USB-C cable and this little charger. Be careful not to lose it. It all feels so satisfying and really high quality. And at first wear, just wow. Okay, so now I have this nice subtle ring on my finger. What can I do with it? First of all, you're gonna need an Ultrahuman app. This app is the main source of all the information you get from your ring. Here you can see all the precious data. You can share them with your friends, or you can even start a meditation, workout, or listen to mindfulness lectures, I would say. A lot of premium content. Connecting other apps is possible as well. I only added Apple Health though. In general, this device monitors your sleep, movement, recovery and temperature. Let's talk about these functions. Sleep Index will help you better understand various sleep stages. Different things happen in these stages to your body, and if you understand them well enough, you can optimize your bedtime and waking up to get better results with your overall health. Recovery Score helps you understand your body's current state. Thanks to key metrics including HRV, heart rate and skin temperature, this score provides insights into various signals your body sends throughout the day, enabling a deeper comprehension of its needs. You can even set the metric of your current state to help these metrics get even better. Movement Index tracks the volume and distribution of movements. The idea is that the more you move, the more benefits like blood circulation and better posture you have. It has been made to help you understand your overall energy expenditure. The score is based on metabolic equivalent and depends on how frequently you move throughout the day. My phone just fell off. I hope it's not broken. So the score is based on your metabolic equivalent and depends on how frequently you move throughout the day, rather than just your volume of movement or workout for a specific duration of the day. More movement spread across the day enables better metabolism and energy balance. Next is the stimulant window recommendations. This one is really cool. It's a unique feature that allows me to understand the impact of stimulants like caffeine on my body and optimize my performance accordingly. The app provides personalized recommendations based on individual response to stimulants, helping me determine the ideal timing on dosage for enhanced performance. There is also cardiovascular fitness data, workout mode, currently in beta, heart rate sensor, motion sensor, temperature sensor, circadian insights that allows you to sync your body with natural rhythm, and it will help you identify the best time of the day for food, exercise and light exposure. Ultrahuman team is planning a lot of cool features like respiration rate, Apple Health Kit update and cycle tracking for women, but maybe sometimes for men too. We can look forward to these in the future. Battery life. Of course, fully charged ring will last me for about 4 or 5 days, and I use it daily and I almost never put it down. It will charge within 2 hours to 100%. Yeah, but Maddie, what is this made out of? Outside is made out of very hard and durable coating of tungsten carbide, and inside is covered in smooth resin, which ensures a combined benefit of durability and comfort. However, the brand does not recommend wearing your ring during a heavyweight training workout or carrying heavy metal objects, as these activities could leave a mark on your finger. And this is absolutely true. I do have some marks on the ring, but I don't really mind them. They are like battle scars. It's also water resistant up to 100 meters, allowing you to wear it while swimming, showering and even scuba diving. So what's my personal experience with this ring? I'm very satisfied with it. I had to get used to it for a few days, but now I don't even realize I have it on my finger. It doesn't bother me at all and it looks really cool. To be honest, I still need to better understand the ring's data if I want to fully utilize the potential of this device, but that's not a problem at all for me. What would be important to me to choosing this ring is that I only need to buy the device and I don't have to pay any monthly subscriptions. I'm a bit disappointed that I can't wear the ring during the activities I do, such as climbing or weightlifting. Well, I could wear it, but it would be damaged pretty bad, I think. But on a regular day, it's on my finger non-stop. So if you are looking for a smart ring, definitely watch more videos about the Ultrahuman Ring Air, and when you are at the checkout, don't forget to use my codes MS50 until 27th of November, and if you are watching this later, MS10, or use the link in the description. Let me know your thoughts about Ultrahuman Ring Air in the comment section, hit subscribe, like the video, check out my socials and my previous video. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!